Transporting wood is one of the important steps in the timber processing and logging industry. This task requires a team of professional workers with skills. At the same time, the transportation vehicles used must always ensure safety, withstand heavy loads, and move on difficult and dangerous terrain. To have a clearer understanding of this work, watch our video together. To have more interesting and exciting videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel before watching. The process of transporting wood from the forest to the collection yard is complex and requires careful preparation. Before starting this process, related personnel must prepare transportation vehicles such as trucks, containers, and excavators to ensure the safety of the goods during the transportation. After preparation, the transportation process begins with workers collecting the felled and sawn wood pieces from the forest and loading them onto the transportation vehicles. These wood pieces are often large and heavy, so workers must use equipment such as machines and tools to lift and move them. Once the vehicles are full, they are transported to the collection yard where the wood pieces will be sorted and classified. Workers will arrange the wood by type and size to facilitate the delivery to manufacturers. The process of transporting wood to the collection yard can take several days, depending on the distance and weather conditions. To ensure the safety of goods and personnel, transportation vehicles must be regularly checked and maintained. In addition, transportation safety regulations must be complied with to avoid accidents and damage to goods during transportation. The wood grabber machine in the wood workshop at the factory is an amazing piece of equipment. With its large size and powerful engine, it is capable of grabbing and transporting wood logs with high speed and efficiency. The machine is designed with two long and sturdy metal grabbers that can expand and contract to fit the size of each wood panel. When in operation, they work synchronously to grab the panels and lift them up for transportation to the required location. The machine is equipped with precise control components, which allow for adjustment of the grabber's opening and the speed of movement. This enables the machine to meet different requirements of the production process, from grabbing large wood panels to transporting them to other machines in the manufacturing process. With its large arm, the machine is moving each wood log up to the storage compartment for transportation to the production plant or for quick and efficient delivery to customers. The wood-grabbing machine is operating at the port like a giant monster, with its powerful arms firmly grasping and lifting the timber from the ground into the ship. With its strong engine and fast-moving capability, the wood-grabbing machine is functioning like a giant hand, making it easy to move large and heavy pieces of wood. The machine's arms work in unison, securely gripping each piece of wood and lifting it from the ground onto the ship. The sound of the engine roars, and the collision of the wood echoes on the shore as the wood is lifted onto the ship. The wood-grabbing machine is transporting the timber at high speed and efficiency, speeding up the transportation and production process. The workers operating the wood-grabbing machine must also be careful and agile to ensure safety and synchronization during the operation. On the ship, the timber is carefully arranged next to each other, ready for the next transportation process. Thus, the process of transporting wood from the factory to the port takes place quickly, sending each piece of wood to different countries to create excellent wood products. It's a day of effective work for both people and machines. This scene shows the incredible power of labor achievement. Moving large pieces of wood at collection yards to the production plant requires enormous skills and physical strength, which is why using industrial equipment instead of human labor is necessary. The process of transporting wood from the forest to the production plant or to the end consumer always requires ensuring safety during work. A wood grapple machine will be an important tool for this process. Compared to humans, the machine can easily and effectively lift and transport large and heavy wood pieces. The machine can operate continuously for many hours without getting tired or needing a break like humans. In addition, the machine can lift the wood pieces and place them in the necessary position accurately, minimizing malfunctions and increasing safety for the operator. Therefore, the application of these machines in the wood transportation process is one of the important steps to improve work efficiency. Clearly, transporting wood from intermediate collection yards always requires us to determine the collection position and area to be able to contain the amount of harvested wood, while meeting the customer's demand for sufficient wood quantity. It is important to transport them quickly and efficiently. In addition, the use of machinery in this process is extremely important. Large engine transport vehicles together with a professional team during work. So, have you understood more about the wood transportation process? It is a process that requires high specialization and technical skills, requiring accurate collaboration between machinery and craftsmen, avoiding risks such as wood falling on workers, causing serious harm. We hope this video will be helpful to you in wood harvesting and processing related work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.